If you want to transfer a GoDaddy domain, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can do it confidently and avoid common mistakes. I'm going to show you how to start the transfer, what you need from your current registrar, how to enter the authorization code, and what happens after you submit the request. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to GoDaddy in your browser and sign in to your account. If you do not already have a GoDaddy account, you can create one during this step. Once you are logged in, you need to open the transfer domain page. This is the section where GoDaddy lets you move a domain from another registrar into your GoDaddy account. Now enter the domain name you want to transfer. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears with your current registrar and double check for spelling errors before continuing. After that, you need to unlock the domain at your current registrar. This is an important step because most domains cannot be transferred while they are locked. If the domain is still locked, GoDaddy will not be able to complete the transfer. Next, go to your current registrar and copy the EPP code, also called the authorization code or transfer code. This code is required to verify that you own the domain and approve the move. Once you have it, return to GoDaddy and paste the EPP code into the transfer field. This is one of the most important parts of the process, so take your time and make sure the code is entered correctly. After that, click Continue and complete the transfer payment. Depending on the domain extension and any promotions available, the cost may vary. In many cases, the transfer also includes an extension of your domain registration, which is a nice bonus. Once you pay and submit the transfer, GoDaddy will begin processing it. Now check your email from your current registrar. You should receive a message asking you to approve the transfer. Open that email and click Approve Transfer. This confirms that you want the domain to move to GoDaddy. If you do not see the message right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case it was filtered there. After approval, the transfer usually takes around 5 to 7 days to complete. During that time, the domain will continue to work normally, but the transfer is still being processed behind the scenes. Be patient and give it time to finish. If everything was entered correctly and the domain is unlocked, the transfer should go through smoothly. A few quick tips before you go. Make sure the domain is eligible for transfer because some newly registered or recently transferred domains may have restrictions. Also, confirm that your contact email address is accessible since approval messages are sent there. And if you are transferring an important business domain, it is always a good idea to keep a backup of your DNS settings before making changes, and that is how to transfer a domain to GoDaddy. You've now got the full process from start to finish. Sign in, enter the domain, unlock it, enter the EPP code, pay for the transfer, approve the email, and wait for completion. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe so you do not miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.